This is the back wall of the hunting store. There's been some minor changes as we've switched from Elfa's classic component set to Elfa's Garage Plus component set. It's still generally a good fit. We are having to mount these baskets on a track, the other one mounted here, here and here. We've been able to show a lot more of the tubs, hooks and containers. I believe that actually comes in a slightly deeper product. I may supply a deeper version of this instead of these. It's just a bit more elegant in my opinion. Here we have metal trays, and I think I'm going to be supplying some tubs that just lift off these trays, so you can just empty your pockets quickly and sling stuff in a tub. I'm going to supply some mixed hook sets. I'm going to supply enough to populate these boards, and you may not use all of it and you may want one or two other bits, but I'm going to try and fully populate this array. So changes for the better there in my opinion.